All right, at least you see now to make two different, you know, marinade. This need to cook out a little bit more. So this one, I can turn this one down. That one is done because I started earlier. Just want to test the temperature of that. Thank you very much. The meal I'm preparing, actually, I'm not really preparing a meal at the moment. I'm prepping. What I'm doing here, I'm making some marinade, or you call it season. These are like all-purpose season. So this is like a green season. You can use that one for anything. Both of them can go in anything, depends on what you choose. This, you can put it on a fish, on seafood, prawns, whatever you want to put this one on, because it's a green season. That one you can use it as a meat season, like a jerk. You can put it on chicken.